Welcome to Eat Eat Wellness, the home for natural medicine. Today we're going to talk about infections, bacterial infections. Of course, there are viral infections, there are fungal infections, but we're going to look at bacterial infections. Now, um, under bacterial infections, we'll look at gonorrhea, we'll look at syphilis, we'll look at chlamydia, we'll look at PID. Okay, yeah. Then in our next videos, we look at viral infections, HIV, HPV, herpes, and all of that. Okay, so infections are not to be ignored. Okay, infections are not to be ignored. Gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, PID, these are very dangerous infections. They can affect you, they can make you infertile for life, they can do a whole lot of damage to your organs, and you know, a whole lot of damage. Okay, if you there are some symptoms that you notice if you have gonorrhea, if you have syphilis, if you have chlamydia, if you have PID, male and female. All right, now for gonorrhea, if you have gonorrhea, or if you're battling gonorrhea and you've not checked to know that this is gonorrhea, there's some of the things you're going to notice. For guys, you notice that you have painful urination, this kind of pain, that this excruciating pain that makes you want to scream while you're peeing, and then you notice that you have this penile discharge, this white discharge coming out from your PP. Okay, now for the ladies, you also have painful urination, you have discharge, just colored discharge. Okay, and some have abdominal pains, you know, and things like that. Now for syphilis, the street name is called Sweetie. Yeah, now it's called Sweetie because when it's scratching, it will be sweeting you. Okay, so it normally scratches, it's normally itchy. All right, and then it's sweet as you're scratching, it's sweeting. So that's why it's called Sweetie. Now for this particular one, the first thing you will notice is your abdomen and your stomach will be itchy, really itchy. I mean, you would even go as far as using sharp objects to scratch it just to feel good. All right, now once you're scratching, you're going to see things like rashes, and little rashes, red rashes on that, that spot you're scratching. And then it goes to itching your fingers, like in between your fingers, your palms, and then to your feet, the sole of your feet, and then in between your thighs, you're scratching, and it has those rashes and all those things. And then it goes to your balls. For the guys, it goes to your balls, it goes to your pee, it starts to scratch you there. And then you have these things that look like big pimples. Okay, now when you get bitten by an insect, the way it looks, that swelling. Yes, that is how it looks on your balls and your your pee. Right, now this is for the guys. For the girls, you have the same itching and sometimes discharge. All right, discharge might not be smelly, but it's going to be there. Now for chlamydia, chlamydia is a silent infection. People don't really know about chlamydia, but then it's very dangerous. All right, chlamydia can also make you infertile as a guy and as a lady. Okay, now for chlamydia, for the guys and the ladies, you might notice discharge for the guys, penile discharge for the guys. And then one peculiar symptom is anal, this butthole itching. So your butthole will be itchy, like really itchy. You might even want to insert something there to like help you scratch it properly. Okay, so if you have this, it might be that you have chlamydia. Now for PID, this is very common. PID is a bacterial infection, okay, that affects the reproductive tract of a lady. Now for PID, you would have, for the ladies, you have excruciating pain in your abdomen, you have pain while doing the do with your husband, your partner, you have very serious pain there, and you have this very bad odor, this really bad odor, very bad odor. Yes, emphasis on the very bad odor, this vaginal discharge. Okay, now it smells really bad, really really bad. Now that's PID. Okay, PID shows no mercy. It smells really bad. That's PID. Okay, and the discharge is sometimes yellow, it's sometimes green. Okay, yeah. So and then PID messes up your hormones. You can see your period for 1-2 years, for some months, make your period irregular. It just does a whole lot of things to you as a lady. So what I'm saying is these infections are dangerous. They can make you infertile, block your fallopian tubes, mess up your hormones, seize your period indefinitely. For the guys, it can go to your sperm and cause sperm infections for you, infections in your sperm, and a whole lot of things that can make you infertile. So what I'm saying in essence is treat infections. Okay, treat infections. Send me a DM. We have products that will help you fix all of these, regardless of how long you've been battling these infections. We have products that will definitely get it sorted out. All right, bacterial infections, gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, PID, name it. Just send me a DM and definitely you're getting healed. We have testimonies from many people that have used our products and they are fine. Okay, so send me a DM if you're battling any of this. And you need to know that people that always take antibiotics for gonorrhea can get resistant. That bacteria can get resistant. So you might just keep taking it and you figure out that you have recurrent gonorrhea infections. It is because it has become resistant to that drug you're taking, to the antibiotic you're taking. Now what you need to do is to switch. Okay, come to us, send me a DM. All right, I'm here to always attend to you and help you get back on your feet, help you get well. All right, help you battle these chronic infections and get your life back. So send me a DM and let's get started. Okay, thank you, bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share to save lives. Okay, thank you so much, bye.